Are you disappointed? Things are far from what they seem. And do you watch me weary? Of what you might see? Do you regret your invitation? Or your courtesy? Oh, are you running out of patience as you leave so politely? What is becoming of the two of us? I'm turning time back just to rise above, as if we'd never been here before. Praying on a better ending, or just something so we'll stop pretending, as if we'd never been here before. Oh, more than an arm around this shoulder, more like a light along the way. This flower that bloomed in late October, oh, the only color amongst the gray. How I wish that it could have remained this way. What is becoming of the two of us? I'm turning time back just to rise above, as if we'd never been here before. Praying on a better ending, or just something so we'll stop pretending, as if we'd never been here before. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, I could take you in, or I could pull you under. I wanna take you in, but I may pull you under. Oh, darling, I could take you in, but I may pull you under. Oh, darling, I could take you in, but I don't wanna pull you under. Oh, what is becoming of the two of us? I'm turning time back just to rise above, oh, as if we'd never been here before. Praying on a better ending, oh, just something so we'll stop Are you disappointed? Things are far from what they seem. And do you watch me weary? Of what you might see? Do you regret your invitation? Or your courtesy? Oh, are you running out of patience as you leave so politely? What is becoming of the two of us? I'm turning time back just to rise above, as if we'd never been here before. Praying on a better ending, or just something so we'll stop pretending, as if we'd never been here before. More than an arm around this shoulder, more like a light along the way. This flower that bloomed in late October, oh, the only color amongst the gray. How I wish they could have remained this way. Oh, what is becoming of the two of us? I'm turning time